Hey y'all, it's your girl Jay from 8601 Co. And I'm hoping everyone's having a fantastic day. I just want to show you my look for today. Right now I'm just rocking a nice blazer with a nice cute black dress with my butterfly earrings and my headband from 8601co.com. So earrings from 8601 Co, headband from 8601 Co. So as you can see, I'm telling a story right now. I'm looking very sophisticated, plus classy, plus, a little sexy. I'm going for brunch, so I'm giving that brunch vibe. So I'll show you my full look in my video, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Bye.